I'm in love, sweet love. Hear me calling out your name. I feel no shame, I'm in love.
Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World, and on today's episode we have a guest. She go introduce herself naturally. She go just tell you everything about her and where you can find her.
Hi, I'm Courtney. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Hey guys. Anyway, I'm Courtney. I sing. Me's an artist. So I don't know. I released a song towards the end of February, and every time I talk about a song, I'm just like, I released it at the end of February. People don't care. Anyway, it's called Seku, and it's a big tune. It's a bop, and
It's a vibe, guys. It's a vibe.
I was gonna leave it in its description, and when you click on it, it's gonna change your life because it's that much of a bop. And if I may say so myself.
Alright guys, I'll leave her Instagram down below, the link to the song, and yeah, just go over there and check out her stuff. Today we'll be doing song association. Naturally me not gonna sing because I can't sing, but she are the artist, so we're gonna test her pipes today, guys. We're gonna test her pipes today. So naturally I don't know how this go. I'm gonna run a word. Well, I have a couple words, but I'm gonna run a word by her and she gonna sing a song you come up with, and if she don't know it, trouble. Isn't me? So she gonna have
I'm gonna be really disappointed in myself if there's a word and I can't find the song.
yeah, but you gonna have 10 seconds to come up with it though.
Oh yeah, give me a time.
Yeah, man, I don't know what this one.
Yeah.
I got my time.
You right.
10 seconds, alright, or one more time?
10 seconds.
Alright?
For me, for how much I love music, 10 seconds makes sense.
So she's challenging herself, guys. You see me? So 10 seconds, let's go. The first word is run. 10.
Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. And that is Runaway by Bruno Mars. Let's go.
Alright.
You
not like when you're quick, so I'm not like when you're quick,
I
so.
think it's a job thing.
Alright, 2. Mirror. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Mirror on the wall. Here we go again. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. What I want to name again?
I think
it's Bruno Mars and Lil Wayne though. I think it's called Mirror on the Wall.
That's the only song I had in my head when I heard it.
Really?
And Michael Jackson, one song.
Oh yeah. Something with the man in the mirror. Ooh yeah. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clearer. If you want to be fun, I bet to play. Look yourself and make a change.
Yeah, you have the pause. You have the pause. Naturally.
I have the pause.
Alright, so this is so easy for you.
Alright.
You have a book in your head? Alright. Third one. This one go easy though. Alright. River. 10. 9.
Come to your river. I will come to your river. I will come to your river. Wash my soul again. That's not really a mainstream song, but this is River by eBay.
Naturally, I go know that song.
Yeah.
Naturally.
Every time.
Naturally, I go know that song. Big up Quill. Naturally, I go know that song.
Yeah.
You see me? I say. Oh, by the way, quick question. Like, how did you start singing?
How did I start singing? That is such a good question. Well, when I was about 3 or 4, I thought my only talent was dancing. I used to love dancing and still do. But I'm from a musical family. Both my parents are musicians, and so music was all around me. And I think it's when I was 6, I said, like, I used to just sing to myself and just sing along with songs that I heard. And my mother heard me and she was like,
You got pipes.
Okay, but you're up on key though, girl. And okay.
Nice. This was at what?
Okay.
What age?
When I was around 6.
Around
When
6?
I was around 6, yeah. My mother said, oh, you can't sing. Alright. Okay. Yeah.
Or what's the first stage you performed on? Like singing.
Alright, my first performance was when I was the first stage I performed actually when I was 6 as well. I went to the prep school I went to, I don't know why I did what to call the name.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Anyway, the prep school I went to, they entered me for JCDC. You know, say it's not a real like music baby if you never go JCDC. Or music baby or acting baby or dancing baby.
Poet.
Poet, all of that.
Everything.
But like, yeah man, JCDC and the school I went to, they entered me into JCDC. All it is, and it's a soul I me did do too, you know.
Can you band like that? Can you band like that?
We didn't get no medal. I try me, oh no, me never reach.
Girl, they pass the medal and then something.
Yeah,
girl.
but God is good.
God is good. You know, but thanks be to God we're here.
Yeah, big up JCDC every time.
For everything.
For everything.
Hey, you gonna realize that's about JCDC, you know. Yeah, but you're next.
JCDC earth your feelings.
Yeah, but
differently.
if I perform at your next. Thank you.
I remember one time in high school, about, what was it, like second form, first or second form, and I sang I Have Nothing by Whitney Houston. And that is a big tune.
Big, naturally.
Right? And I practice and I sing. And I remember do the performance and I did get through for the next round. Because you know they have the preliminary round. I must sing. I must go through next round. So the next round, I say, yeah man. Alright, me a plan. I say, yeah. Go through, second round, let's go. For this performance, me I go up on my knees. I'm an idiot. I think about brands. Me get that.
You look kind of married. They're like, yeah, I'm married. And so they go on.
Thank you, me brands medal. And I'm sorry. Thank you, sweetie.
They're like, like in the performance, they go, thank you.
Yeah, they were like,
I think over now.
At the end of the performance, I say, yeah, man, thank you. Alright, bronze. Yeah. A ball. Because me I work
you put in the work. You put in the work.
Me I work for the gold medal. Me I work for the Kingston finals. Me I work.
Yo, everybody with the JCDC right now have PTSD. Like, let me not shock right now. Because, like, yo, JCDC cut it down to size, you know?
A ball.
Yeah, then cut it down there. We feel like, see, you're ready, you know, man. And you go there just like, I see that you thought you were ready doing it, but
a ball. And then make it even worse, JCD that day it was like a school day, so the next day I had to go to school. Yeah, them red and they are puff up big, like, and then I just had to walk around school all day and everybody's like, oh God, oh COURTNI, oh God, and I'm just like, thank you.
It's okay.
Leave me alone now.
It's okay.
Yeah,
I'll get them next year.
Right.
You never come back?
No, lie. Alright, lie. We did go back the next year, and it was the same thing again.
You're capping.
Bronzy.
You're capping. Girl, them bad mind the girl, like that.
I must have said, no. But you see, after that, I was so scared. I was just like, listen, me nah. When me I put myself through that, me can't sing. People tell me can't sing. When me I know for myself, I got JCDC for.
Now we are chat out this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Number 4. Child.
You are a child of the universe. You know that one there? And it come on all the time on radio.
No, every day.
Every day. And you know, I don't even really know that song. I just know it goes, you are a child.
I honestly felt like that one was hard. Because I can't think of another song with child in it. You give me one more song with child in it. Alright.
Oh, so a child may follow.
I don't know that song.
That is a Junior Gang song that was on his 20th album, and it's
the one
called
of
So
Hey
a Child May.
World.
Yep.
That one, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I know that song. I know.
So a Child May follow.
I know that song. Alright. Damn. This one gonna be easy, so you have to give me 2 songs for the one here.
Oh,
Love.
Never knew what Next one now. I'm in love, sweet love. Hear me calling out your name. I feel no shame. I'm in love, sweet love. Don't you ever go away. It'll always be this way.
Alright, fine. I know
Karen,
that. At this point, I'm gonna need a timer, girl. Can you just fire them? So you don't need a timer. Clearly.
Yeah, I'm surprising myself here.
This one go. You.
Alright.
Company. If you don't.
Alright, we must sing one song.
If you don't.
Right. So me I take up on it properly, and make it be my only one and only company. Take up on it properly, and make it be my only one and only company. If my love is what you're chasing, let's go, no more time wasting. Me I take up on it properly, and make it be my only one and only company. Right.
Yeah, I had to. You know, no, you have the exclusive, you know?
I didn't ready for bust my brain. I
Live. You know what I'm saying? Live, my Howard's world. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the exclusive, guys, because it's important over here. On the special.
That's
her.
true.
And if you've made this far into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, friend that your friend Howard sent to tell a friend. Nice. Next word. Night.
Night, as in N-I-G-H-T?
Yeah, not night in Chinese.
Day and night, the lonely loner sees a breeze by the night.
You don't know the song, nigga. You have to give me one next song. Yeah, no, yeah, say. That don't count. You have to give me one next song. Yeah, give me. No, that's not lyrics. Give me one more. Give me. No.
Oh, the man is doubting me and my powers. First of all, that song was called Day and Night by Kid Cudi, big tune. But alright, I'll find another song. So.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
She's just 16
5.
years old. Leave her alone, they say. By fools, don't know what love is, yeah. But I want you to know that if I could fly, I'd pick you up, I'd take you into the night and show you love and you endless. Anyway, yeah.
Fine.
Into the night.
Well, alright, fine. You fully get
that song is beyond our time, but you see me, we have to know music from every time. Next word. Okay, you think it's a joke?
Alright, next word. You have to give me 2 for the one here too. The one easy. Easy. Baby.
Baby. Ooh, like baby. No, like baby.
You just put the lowest fruit. You can just put the lowest fruit.
That's true.
Just grab the lowest fruit.
You know, baby, oh baby, my baby, oh baby, I. You know that
I don't know this.
Ariana Grande, baby, I.
Baby, I love that. You know that one?
But we know that one.
Yeah.
Baby, that's how when she just you see me, that's how before she even have up the ponytail when she had leg out them time that she fresh off Victoria's.
Oh, young. I don't be knowing that one.
We know a song for every time. Next word. I think it's a joke. Guys, I think it's a joke thing, you know.
I got this one. This one's a request. Zion.
Got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, man.
Alright, down.
Giveaway.
I didn't even remember about that song, but you singing it just.
Zion by Junior Gang.
Yeah,
Junior Gang,
yeah.
I'm a god. Junior Gang, I'm a god. I'm an artist.
Alright, so she not losing no points. And the timer wouldn't even make sense because she's just as you get them. Alright, meds, cool. The one this easy? Yeah, the one easy. So you have to give me 2 songs with easy on them. Best. I think best is relatively easy.
Can I sing that song up on camera?
Oh. 10.
You might be able to win me.
9.
Alright, let me stop talking and actually
8.
think.
7. 6.
You give me the best. Yeah,
Alright,
like a
that one.
popcorn bad words. Song, right?
That one.
Okay.
Alright, next.
Next one is wow.
8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
No. If you were my best friend, I'd want you around all the time. Cause if you were my best friend.
That's not that old song. We are reaching the song. You know you could have literally sing best part.
She says just a friend. Not pretend. Either he is or he ain't your man. I said it's don't ramp with me.
You know people that would know too much they want good. You could have literally got best part.
That is very true.
That's so...
However, yeah, no, sometimes I make it difficult for myself.
Oh, you like that? You like that?
Yeah, I can't like everybody gonna try for best part, but find the next one, man, where you say, John, you know what I mean?
Alright, guys,
fun.
Down in the comment, you see me? Down in the comment, down in the comment. Tell us you're going good. You see me? Tell us you're going good. Give our as it relates to like how quick you drop for the song them 1 to 10, give her a rating. You know what I'm saying? No, not crazy. Can you drop them quick? You know what I'm saying? Like with the speed, 1 to 10. How fast should I drop them?
Don't ramp with me.
Give me. Alright.
Don't ramp with me.
Next word. Over.
You sing that song, yeah?
4.
I mean, don't have to sing it, but I was thinking Over by Drake. When it's over, it's over. That's the only part him sing it in the chorus. You know that song like Over by Drake? And that bus him.
Oh my god, no bus Drake. Oh my god, no.
How old are you? I was in like high school.
Oh my god, no bus Drake.
You might have been in big, I guess, prep school. We mean we are gonna know about shit. It was a big song. Like that video played everywhere.
Okay.
Over by Drake, right?
Another one.
It's over.
I don't know that song. Give me another one.
Wow. Okay. Over and over again, I try to tell myself that we could never be more than just friends. Don't run away.
Alright.
Hey.
Hey, no, Sabi, what you don't know though. You're an old soul.
I'm an old soul, but I try my best to keep up with, you know, the songs of
Y'all getting
our
culture
time.
today.
Yeah.
Y'all getting culture.
Yeah.
Alright. Fly.
Fly. Fly. Fly. Fly. Fly. I drink till I'm drunk. Smoke till I'm high.
Alright.
Guess I'm on the you can tell me I fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies all know. Listen.
This is too easy for you. This is too...
It's fun. Give me another word.
Fine. Alright. Number 13 is no, as in K-N-O-W. No.
K-N-O-W. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
You know.
1. Ding, 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 ding. Girl, you lose the money. 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 You lose the money.
You're so excited.
Because me I say how. Me I say how you know every song so quick. But different still.
One song goes so fit you.
When you gonna tell me what they know? What no?
Yeah, tell me what. Alright. Why can't I think there's a song about you know, something like that. Me don't know.
Guys, give me down below in the comments.
So
Give me a song with no. Give me a song with no in the comments real quick. The first person to give me a song with no gets free what is this? Keyring from 77, sponsored by 77, and also a sticker. So the first person to get a song with no down in the comments gets this. No problem. Just DM me. Wait, yeah, the first person I'm gonna reply to you and just DM me afterwards. So we're stuck on no?
9.
We're stuck on no?
We're kind of stuck on no because all I'm hearing is just sounds with no
like
in
no
there.
butter in
and
your no.
I'm not hearing any
I feel like no butter in your no.
there.
Some people think they're just not going to win everything. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, see? One word. Nice. So next word. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Sorry, yeah. We'll come back to it because it's going to stay stuck in my brain forever.
Alright, cool. Rain.
Rain down on me. Let your love just jump on. Let your love just fall on me. Fall like teardrops rain on me. That is an old song as well. Rain on Me by SWV. Beautiful melody. You guys need to listen to it. Great song.
Alright, so I had 14, right? But there's one more, but
In your brain.
I didn't write it down. You see me? So I'm gonna have to find one that I feel like gonna be hard for you. Because clearly you're knocking them all out the park. Yeah, I'm gonna make it easy, but you have to give me 2 songs for it though. No. You know what? For the last part, just freestyle one song. For the last one, just give me one song. Any song you want to sing.
Just any song
you want to sing. Any song you're feeling right now, like to sing. Any song I feel to sing. I'm not even gonna make the last one. I want to. Just any song you feel to sing. Because I like hearing you sing. Just any song you feel to sing. Just.
Any song I feel like singing. Any song I feel like
Why is that stressed out? Why is that stressed out?
You know when you just know too much songs?
Literally,
so whenever somebody's just like, oh, sing a song, you're just like...
glitch.
Oh, I've been chilling with my kinfolk. We been puffing on that blunt smoke. Wow, I forgot all the lyrics. I know that's such a big tune, Kinfolk by Mariba.
But that's the song you're feeling right now.
That song, yeah.
Alright,
Darn it.
Alright, we're not gonna stress you out then. We're not gonna stress you.
No, I have to find another song.
Alright, you have to find another song?
Yeah,
alright,
because, go on. Wow, I don't love this mess. Okay. Right. Sing to the moon and the stars will shine over you, lead you to the other side. Sing to the moon and the stars will shine over you. Heaven's gonna turn the tide. So for anyone that's feeling sad right now, just sing to the moon and the stars will shine over you. Beautiful. Hey, go and listen to Sing to the Moon by Laura M. Fiola. That song that I gonna heal you. How would that girl like come up with them lyrics if it says sing to the moon and the stars will shine?
Different level of connection that never done.
Hey, that's the definition of faith, you know.
Different level of connection that never done.
That is faith. She just I tell you, go and go sing to the moon then because the stars them will shine over you. And all if you don't see the stars them, you just have to tell yourself that the stars are gonna shine over you. I feel that in my life. That's faith.
Hey.
That's so beautiful. Wow.
That was beautiful for you. That was beautiful.
I cry. That was so beautiful. I love that song so much. Anyway.
Alright, on that note, we'll be closing up. I don't think we can close up on a better song, to be honest. That was great. If you liked it, like it. And don't forget to comment your favorite part, guys. And don't forget to look in the description. Click the links and go check her out. I'm going to leave the song down there. I'm going to leave her Instagram IG down there. Just go check her out. And, you know, what the vibes. She an artist. Everybody says she an artist. Is that what I'm saying?
I am.
So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. We're gone.